there was a windstorm here a few days ago, and it knocked the top out of a tree that we had, and that there are a lot of dead branches up high in the tree. We've removed several of them already, and there's one you can kind of see at the top of the video there. There's one more dead branch that has broken off, and it's just hanging there, and it is hazardous to have that up there. It's way too high to reach with any tools. Even the tallest ladder we have won't be able to reach it. So the idea was to tie the string to the bottom of a drone and fly over the branch. Oh, over, not into. Into the branch is bad. Let's try this again. It's a little hard flying with a string attached to a drone because the string weighs about as much as the drone. So the weight is off. It kind of pulls it in funny directions unexpectedly. So you have to kind of give it a little more oomph than you want. Oh, I hit the same spot again. That wasn't good. Yeah, it almost hit the ground that time. Not quite. I put it down on purpose so I can reposition it at this point. But the idea is to fly the drone over the limb that is broken off. And after the string is to the other side, use that string to pull up a rope. And then the rope will be hefty enough to pull down the limb. And I did this successfully. It works. You're only risking a $50 drone instead of your life, which is a lot safer. Yep. This time, oh, we're over. We're over the top. Pretty jumpy. It's a cheap drone, sorry. But, yeah, at this point, it's actually best to cut the engine and use the string to lower it down because you don't want to get the string caught in the rotor. So there you go. A cheap way to use a drone to pull down a branch.